I don't need to tell any of you in this room how beautiful Lisa looks today. Seeing you in that dress reminds me of that first time we ever met, which Tracy obviously mentioned. And I couldn't get over how gorgeous you were, and you still are to this day. Over the course of the last 14 years, I've learnt a lot about Lisa. She's fiercely driven, motivated, and passionate about the things she cares for. I'm very, very lucky to call her my wife. As my mates have told me all along, Chesh, you are seriously punching. Lise, you already know that as much as I love you, I am far from perfect. I will more than likely forget to put away the dirty dishes at times. And it might look like from time to time there's been a clothes explosion from the wardrobe. I also can't guarantee on occasion I won't put your favourite white top in with a dark wash. But what I can promise you that without a doubt, I will love you from all of my heart, and I will make you smile every day. You start, you set me off.
If you're coming around, if you're coming around, oh, oh. If you're coming around, if you're coming around, feel like Christmas every day of the year, but I can't feel it by myself. Only works if you're here, and a little bit of magic and a little faith can make every storm that's ever come just fade away. Now every front door reminds me of you, all decorated, anticipating good news. I've got one Christmas wish, top of my Christmas list, to be your angel when the snow's coming down. The song you're singing, and you're here all around. Small piece of heaven on earth in this town. It's only Christmas if you're coming around. If you're coming around, oh, oh. If you're coming around, if you're coming